Mock toffee is a delicious treat that you can make with only 4 ingredients: saltines, brown sugar, butter, and chocolate. What you do is you get 1 stick of butter and the brown sugar, melt it in a pan, soften the other stick of butter, spread it on a pan, put the saltines on top of the softened butter, side by side with the salted side up. Then you're going to cook the butter and the brown sugar until it comes to a rolling boil. Once it does come to the rolling boil, you are going to take that brown sugar mix and pour it over the crackers on the pan. You're going to carefully pour it. That's going to be very, very hot. I usually try and go around the perimeter and then spread it all around because you want to cover all of the crackers. So you want to cover them end to end with the hot sugar and butter mixture. Once you get all the crackers covered, you're going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 7 minutes because you want it to actually caramelize and cook a little bit more onto the crackers. So you're going to stick them in the oven. After your timer goes off, you're going to pull the pan out and sprinkle your chocolate chips on all over the crackers. And I usually put them back in the oven for about 3 more minutes to help melt the chocolate. Sometimes chocolate chips don't want to melt, so sometimes I'll use the little melty wafers like the Wilton candy wafers that you can get at like Michael's, Joann, sometimes Walmart. Sometimes those melt better than actual chocolate chips. If you're using chocolate chips, just kind of give them a couple minutes to melt, and then you're going to spread them all over the crackers, spread them out till they're smooth. And then once the pan is cool, you can put it in the freezer to help set the chocolate. And then after about half an hour, you just take them out, break them, and enjoy. They're delicious.